Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to paint this wooden tray from Jags. I'm not going to apply primer today. Instead, I'm applying a layer of varnish. This will increase the durability. For base, I'm using acrylic metallic colors from brand Jags. You can use a flat brush to apply the base layer. Make sure to apply the paint on all sides of the tray. Once the base is dry, you can start with the pattern. I'm using this basic mandala stencil from Jags for marking the divisions. Once the divisions are marked, you can use a compass to mark the circles. For pattern, I'm using again acrylic colors from Jags. And for dotting tools, these are the ones I'm using today. A detailed video on symmetric mandala art is already uploaded to my channel. Please check the description box for the link. Now the pattern is completed. Allow the paint to dry properly before applying varnish or resin. As the final layer, I'm going to apply epoxy resin. I purchased this from Jags, which comes with the hardener and resin. Read the instructions properly and always wear a gloves before you mix. You need to keep this tray aside for 12 to 24 hours for proper curing. Once the resin is completely dry, you can use a high gloss varnish for the sides. I have used varnish from Liquitex for the sides. And here is the final look. Hope you guys like the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more art tutorials. Thanks for watching.